Beautiful day ahead, everyone. Welcome back to Monchin Channel. Yay! So ngayon guys, I'm going to cook garlic buttered shrimp. So kung paano ko gagawin, please keep on watching. So here's now my ingredients, guys. I have here half kilo of shrimp being marinated with KickAPOO. So ayan guys, yung KickAPOO. And we also have here the garlic, guys. And I also have here the butter. So since it's my first time to cook this, guys, so hindi masyadong malaki yung butter na i-mix ko. Now, we have here the oil. Since mainit na yung mantika, so yeah, I'll now put and melt the butter, guys. Ayan lang. Simple as that lang siya, guys. Hanggang sa nag-melt na siya. Ayan, kunti na lang, guys. Kunting-kunti na lang. Ayan. I now add the garlic here, guys. Yeah. I just enjoy mixing it together. Wait ko lang yung perfect timing para i-add ko na yung shrimp. Now, luto na yung garlic. So, it's time for me to add the shrimp, guys. Ayan. Ayan na. Ayan. Haluin lang siya ng haluin. Okay. Okayon. Ang dapat okayon, guys. Ayan. Mag-orange na siya. Haluin lang siya ng haluin hanggang sa mag-orange siya lahat, guys. Ayan. Ayan, halo lang ng halo hanggang sa maging orange siya lahat. Ayan. Ang ganda tingnan, no, guys. Ayan, orange na ang tanan nga pasayan. So, ako yun lang nako siya, guys, para masok ang iyahang timpla ngadto sa meat sa pasayan o sa shrimp. Yummy. Kahumot. Humot kayo, guys. Nagpanilap na ko da. Lami ng ikaon. So, yeah. Mix lang ng mix. Mix ko lang siya. Kung napansin nyo, guys, yung isang shrimp, color orange talaga siya kasi kalimutan ko siyang balatan. So, excited to cook. Kaya gutom naman, guys. And it's time for me to add white pepper. Since wala man ko yung black pepper, so white pepper lang ang ginamit ko, guys. So, ayan na. Yun. Sarap nito. So, para sa akin, guys, gusto ko kasi yung may konting sabaw. So, yeah, I will now add a bit of water. Ayan. Kasi, masarap yung sabaw niya ng matamis-tamis. Kaya, ayan, dinagdagan ko siya ng konting tubig. Ayan, my garlic buttered shrimp is almost ready to serve. I just wait 1 minute, guys. Hintay ko lang na maging malapot yung sabaw. Para maging yummy, maging masarap talaga sa panlasa. Ayan. After 1 minute, then, ayan, time for me to transfer it to the plate and serve it and eat it. Yummy. There we go, my garlic garlic shrimp is now ready to serve. Now ready to eat. Kainan na. Maraming salamat po for watching. God bless us everyone.